It's that time of year again. It's getting colder. You've made some resolutions. And it's time to get back on track. Here's a recipe that'll fill you up while staying clean. All that coming up next. For this recipe, you'll need onions, carrots, zucchini, mushrooms, and bell pepper, lentils, tomato paste, and we'll cook it all in a pressure cooker. Start by adding 3 cups of water. Then add all of your chopped ingredients into the pot. Next, add your lentils. No recipe is complete without some spices. Let's add some oregano, thyme, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder. Once it's in there, stir everything up to combine. Top it off with 1 more cup of water and give it a good stir once again. Don't worry, it looks dry now, but trust me, once it's done, you'll have a great tasting soup, perfect for this time of the year. Once it comes out, add 1 small can of tomato paste and mix it together. Then it's ready to serve. I like to top mine with a little bit of green. I use parsley flakes here, but choose whatever you'd like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks for stopping by. And remember, stay real and stay clean.